Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the camera app. Tap the live photo icon so it shows off. Do this first because whatever state the camera last used is what the phone remembers by default. Once done, close the camera to ensure that off state is registered. You're acting now, not fiddling with general settings. Turning it off immediately prevents new captures from embedding motion. Make sure the shutter preview indicates static photo before moving on to system settings. Next, go to Settings, then Camera, then Preserve Settings. Toggle the Live Photo Preserve switch on so the camera app keeps the last used mode. This is how you make off persistent. Why this works. Preserve Settings tells iOS not to reset modes between sessions. After enabling it, reopen camera and verify Live Photo remains off. Take a quick shot. If it stayed off, the system will now keep live photos disabled until you intentionally re-enable them. Finish by optionally disabling playback. Settings photos autoplay videos and live photos to stop motion in your library. If live photos reappear, make sure no configuration profile or screen time restriction forces camera defaults. Reset camera or all settings only as a last resort. A reboot often resolves sticky state. If problems persist, toggle preserve settings off then on again and retest. That tip usually clears cached preferences and makes the off state permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.